Users in certain geographic locations like China and the Middle East sometimes have trouble downloading all the apps they want on their Android TV box due to region blocks. A VPN or virtual private network can help to fix this, allowing you to connect to the internet like you're in another country. But what if region controls won't let you download a VPN from the Play Store in the first place? In this video, we'll teach you how to sideload a VPN app onto your Android TV box. To follow along with this video, you'll need an Android TV box with an empty USB slot, as well as a USB drive with some extra memory. We'll be demonstrating the process with expressvpn, so note that if you try the process with another VPN, it might look a little different. Begin by signing into your expressvpn account on a computer. If you're in an area where the expressvpn website won't display right away, try typing it into your favourite search engine and a working URL should appear. Log into your ExpressVPN account and click on the button that says Set up on more devices. Then select the Android platform, followed by Download APK. Stick your USB drive into the computer and load the APK file onto it. Then safely remove your USB file. Now switch gears by turning on your Android TV box. Go to the Google Play Store and search for ES File Explorer. The software is free, allowing you to browse files on USB drives that you plug into your device. Once you find ES File Explorer, install it. Before you plug in your USB drive and play around with it, you'll first need to change one setting on your Android TV box though. Go to the device settings, followed by security restrictions, then go to unknown sources and toggle it to on, allowing you to access APK files that you load on your device. You'll be asked to verify your choice to change this preference. Go ahead and choose OK, but use caution when downloading files in the future. Now it's time to access your USB drive. Make sure it's plugged into your Android TV box and open ES File Explorer. Select your USB drive on the left and then navigate to ExpressVPN APK on the right. When you click on it, select Install. Once it's installed, choose Open. That's the sideloading process in a nutshell, and you can use it to load other types of APK files onto your Android TV box too. However, now that you have ExpressVPN loaded, you can also change your IP address, allowing access to the internet like you're in another country. To do that, you'll need to log into your ExpressVPN account. Note that you can also complete a free trial on your Android TV box, though you won't get the benefits of a full subscription. Whichever you choose, once you go to the next screen, you'll be asked to configure your VPN. Press OK, followed by OK. Finally, ExpressVPN will ask you if you want to share anonymous diagnostic information, and that's totally up to you. Once you've fully configured the ExpressVPN app, connecting couldn't be easier. Simply select the big On button in the center of the screen. If you want to change the VPN server location to another country, which is kind of the whole point of what we're just talking about, click the Choose Location button and select a server in the relevant country. Then just connect again. You're free to exit the app and use your Android TV box as you normally would, only now your traffic is routed through a VPN. And that's it, folks. Not only have you learned how to sideload an APK in this video, but you've also learned how to change your IP address. Give yourself a pat on the back. And if you like ExpressVPN, be sure to check for a link in the description so that you can get the best deal through Android Authority. Thanks a ton for watching, guys. Hope you found this somewhat useful. If you did, then please leave a like, share it around, helps us out. Subscribe to the channel for more like this and check out androidauthority.com, for we are your source for all things Android.